I'm Steve Easley, and I'm the owner of the Revision House. This is a demonstration project that we did in conjunction with Green Builder Magazine. This is in Scottsdale, Arizona, and so since we are originally from the Midwest, we really like the green, and we're quite so fond of the desert look. We decided to go with Landscapes by ForeverLawn because it looks great. It's very drought tolerant. When you're entertained, you don't have to worry about what the weather's like. So if you do get a big rainstorm or whatever, you're not worrying about tracking mud and everything else in your house. It's just great product for entertaining. Another thing we like about it, there's no fertilizers, no cutting, no mowing, no trimming, so we're not using pesticides to try to maintain the lawn, and it's just super easy to maintain. This is one of the few products that has a 15-year warranty. It's a closed-loop warranty, which means they can kind of track the product over its life. And so for 15 years, that's a pretty good warranty in my opinion. And so we chose Landscapes by ForeverLawn because it really is a high-performance product. It's a high-performance turf.